Yeah, and his worm farm. I'm just chucking shit in it every so often when I'm here, but this is the first time looking at it since I did my worm farm course. And no judgment on me dad because he doesn't know. I've got to teach him. But that's not how you do a worm farm, because it's basically, I don't know if you can smell. Well, you can't smell it because you're on a camera. But all that stuff, that's fine. But it's probably overfed. So what you want to do is you want to have your feed on one half so the worms can escape it if they want to. And you also, it's missing a vital thing, which is paper. So you need paper on top. And what you do is when you bury your food, you're actually burying the food into a hole. You make a hole and you put your food in the hole, then you cover the hole up. And if you think about how worms work, they're going through the soil, so they have to actually get to the food. So you need to have a layer so they can actually get to the food and not be in sunlight. So you put the paper there, and then they eat it, and then that side they can escape if they don't want the food. And what happens with the worms? Worms don't have any teeth. They only have gums. So what they do is they grind it in their stomach. So you actually need that paper in there so they have something to grind it with. Otherwise, they're not going to digest it as fast. This is going to work. Like, the worms are still going to eat this and they're still going to make a shitload of poo. And, the worm juice and all that sort of stuff. But if you want to make it less smelly, well, no smell because mine doesn't stink, and more effective, it's better to have a lot of paper up the top. Obviously, as a lawnmower man, I don't carry confetti around with myself. I should do, because I can throw it everywhere and make my job much more exciting. But I'm going to show you how to quickly do some confetti with some coffee cups. So it's not the best confetti, to be honest, but at least they're going to have some paper to play around with until I get home and grab some and bring some back. It's not ideal. It just stinks, dude. Another thing it was missing is a bit of water. So I'm just going to give it a bit of moistness, because worms love moistness. The smell has instantly gone with that cover on top, but I am going to come back here and do it properly and get some actual confetti, because I've got a shredder at home, shred some paper, bring it back for the worms, and get this cranking a lot better for him when he gets back. So, yo.